Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. I expect the good, healthy life for everyone, a happiness for everyone. So, come on, friends, this video is all about how did I spend my September 2021. As I told you, I will be sharing this soon with you. So, the time has arrived. This video is going to talk about how I spent my September month 2021. So friends, in this video we will be learning about first September के बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ेंगे. We will be learn something about September. Then how did I spend? Okay. So the word September means septum. Actually, septum means 7. So this word is a seventh, number 7. It has come from the Roman word which is derived for the 7th month of the Roman calendar. But in our Gregorian calendar and Julian calendar, this is the 9th month. So the word September has come from the word septum, which means 7th. Okay, and every month has the good days where we celebrate, we enjoy holidays. So the important days for this September month were Teachers' Days, as we everyone know, Teachers' Day, and Engineers' Day, World Literacy Day, and Hindi Divas Day. Means the entire week of the September will celebrate, where we will celebrate the Hindi Pakhwada Divas or Hindi Divas. So coming to the Teachers' Day, I wished I remembered my all school teachers, college teachers, everyone who has given me some lessons, and I have grown up into such a beautiful life. So I wished my teachers, I remember my teachers wholeheartedly. I messaged them, and also I am a mom of 3 years old son. So in his school there was a celebration. So me and my son presented a small clip for the same, where we have wished his all teachers. So Teachers' Day was very nice. And the next day was the Engineers' Day. In the month of September, we do have Engineers' Day, where I wished all of my engineers friend, because once upon a time between the 2008 to 2018, I was also a software engineer. So I remembered all my friends of that period. I remembered them, I wished them also. I felt to wish them, but I was not able to connect them, but I remembered them also. And my husband is an electrical and software engineer, so I enjoyed the day with him. I wished him. So in that day, that day passed like that, where I have enjoyed the vibes of being engineer. I remembered how the engineering is very important, any kind of engineer, because the day-to-day activity runs upon the technology where we need engineers. So it was an awesome celebration. Again, I wished all my viewers happy Teachers' Day and happy Engineers' Day. Now, coming to the very important week, that is called Pakhwada Divas, Hindi Pakhwada Divas or Hindi Divas. In my school days, we used to celebrate the Hindi Divas for an entire week, where our teacher used to tell us, like, today you have to start this day, from this day to next day, like for 1 week we have to speak, communicate everything in Hindi. If you're not going to do that, then you will be fine. So in that way, like, it was supposed to be in a funny way, not like serious fines, so something like that. So by that way we used to get the knowledge of our national language Hindi, the importance. So the Hindi Divas will be from like in the month of September, midweek. So I remember that it was good. I initiated that at my home also. We enjoyed talking everything and spending the whole week in Hindi. So that was the remembering days of September. Okay, now I hope every one of you might be remembering Teachers' Day, and you might have celebrated with your children, or you might have celebrated also yourself, because being teacher is a very good role profession. And also like Engineers' Day and Hindi Pakhwada Divas. Okay friends, Now coming to the profession things, as every one of you know that currently my profile is updated. Earlier I was into IT, and currently I am a affiliate marketer, I am a business consultant, and I am a YouTuber. So maintaining these three platforms in the month of September, I enjoyed a lot. First thing is like coming to the role of affiliate marketing. I upgraded my few skills. I had improved my team. I shared my knowledge with them. We had a we enjoyed working together. We worked on certain strategies. So it was a good going in the field of affiliate marketing. And friends, if at all you are interested to learn about affiliate marketing, you can DM me at my number 76740 It is a good path. It is a good scope to learn new strategies and skills. Okay, try. My suggestion is like you can give a trial on affiliate marketing. And coming to the business consultant, I am an independent business consultant where I give consultation to the business people when they are stuck in their business, if they want good strategies to grow in their business. And also in this way, I coached my people on business strategies on various businesses. So it was a good learning plus earning month. Now coming to the YouTube, the good news was that see, I am not a like a well trained person to start the channel and work on it like dedicatedly, but whatever the time I am getting in my day or in my month, I am precisely using for the YouTube also. And my channel was started long back. Like everyone has a habit of creating their own channel and keep aside, so same thing I did long back. But I actually started working on it from August 13th. I remember August 15th or August 13th, and within a month I reached the 100 subscribers in the mid of September. That was very great news, great happiness for me, and I share the same thing with you all on the social media platforms. So the great achievement was like achieving the 100 subscribers, and good views also I got, and good feedback also I got. And definitely I'll be working more on it, and I'll be getting more series. As currently you can see, like I have a series of Instagram there, I have a series of mindsets, I have a series of affiliate marketing, I have a series of business strategies. So you can try to visit my channel, and about it also I'll definitely post the link in the subscription boxes about the playlist. You can watch it once. So friends, I can say like overall on the YouTube also I have posted good knowledge with my viewers. I had good feedbacks, I received the good views, good subscriber count, and I'll be definitely working more towards on it. So dear friends, in a nutshell, I can say that the month of September was full of learnings, sharing knowledge, and earnings to me. In this way, I spent my 30 days of September 2021, and with the same zeal, I have entered into the new month, October 2021. And I hope everyone has a wonderful September month, and you people might be enjoying October month also. So friends, keep watching the channel and keep sharing your feedback, and also share your experiences. How did you spend your September 2021? See, time is everything. So time is divided, or time is maintained on our months. So definitely try to share your things with me. How did you spend your 2021 September? You can DM me at my WhatsApp number 76740 for immediate responses, to get the about online platform details for any queries. And friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep sharing. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.